Yeah, so this is gonna be a longer version of the rant I just put out. This is not really me just being salty. This is a discussion that need to be made. I feel like this is a discussion that should be had. A lot of y'all don't understand when y'all say things like the comment here, and it's not necessarily negative. It's just his opinion. But the thing is, everybody got an opinion and everybody trades it away, right? A lot of y'all got to remember when y'all doing that's how you trade. But when you say you could scalp and make more money, or you can make money quicker, it really doesn't make sense to make the comment, because anybody could use a big lot and take 5 pips and say that they killing the market. You feel me? Anybody could do that, but it takes skill to do what I'm doing here. And this is just something I came to the realization that, and y'all gonna have to come to the realization that this is not for everybody. If you're a scalper and you're into taking like big lots and small trades, and this is not for you, I could say that that's not a skill. You know what I mean? I could say what I'm doing is a skill. And I do feel that way, but I wouldn't say that, because, I mean, if you're profitable, that's what matters. You see what I'm saying? Whatever works for you is what matters. A lot of y'all feel like if somebody's doing something different than y'all in this community, then it's not for you and you should have an opinion against it. If you don't got nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all. You know what I mean? Like, just let people live. Like, let people be. If that's what works for you, if you want to take like a 50 lot and take fucking 10 pips and say, hey, I made more money than you in your 1200 pip trade, that's what works for you. But to me, to word it that way is like you really just kind of hating. And the thing is too, a lot of times if you're winning, don't worry about what somebody else is doing. A lot of y'all guys, this stuff is for people that want to learn how to trade. This is for people that want to learn how to swing intraday. You know, if you're a scalper, then this is not for you. It's kind of that simple. If you see 1200 pip trade, automatically as a scalper, you should say, hey, that's not for me. To come click in and then make a comment and, you know, make a comment like that's against the strategy or method being used, it's just, to me, not worth it to do that. And if you're winning, great, you know, congratulations. But at the end of the day, also, what are you commenting on this for? So a lot of you people have to kind of stop being so entitled. I know the internet is free and everybody has a right to an opinion, but it doesn't mean you should give yours. You know what I mean? I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm trying to grow my content. I'm trying to grow my business, and I'm trying to help people. You know, and my message is to help people escape the 9-to-5 through Forex. And those comments are just, they're not positive. They're not pushing the message. They're not helping nobody. No one's learning anything. So I told you I'm not going to keep commenting on all of those comments. I just picked this one because it's a teachable moment, and I just I want y'all to realize, because sometimes people just say things that's not necessarily them being negative, but you need to kind of know, hey, you know, that comment is not needed. And people just need to know over here, you know, this is about congratulating people, and it's we're going to try to keep it positive. I mean, I know everything ain't sunshines and roses, but we're going to try, though. We're going to try to focus on sunshine and roses over here. So I just wanted to make this video to bring the discussion to y'all, because a lot of times people don't realize you gotta like, comment, and share this content, because the algorithm, it respects that. And you know, somebody like me that's out here trying to help people, and you know, you get pushback when you're not the popular person, you're not the person with all the followers. So I'm not doing this to try and like have all these followers or whatever, but it's just, you know, if you with the good message that I'm bringing, yeah, you need to like, comment, and share the videos. You need to share the content, because this is what goes on constantly. Like, I don't even check my messages like that no more, because it's usually always somebody saying something that doesn't need to be said. And you know, that's part of what people say, oh, if that's not happening, you're not doing good things. It sound good, y'all, but it takes from the people that really want to reach out, people that really need my help, people that I want to talk to, because there's people probably in my inbox that want to know something that's genuinely something I can help them with, but because of the trolls and the cunts, they're not getting replied to. So just letting you know, guys, if you're a scalper, my content may not be for you. I scalp, but I don't post scalps, because in my opinion, anybody could do that. When you start trading, scalping is not hard. Even though I'm not going to say it's not a skill, it's not easy. Learning to be profitable is hard as hell in Forex. But, you know, just unnecessary comments. Nobody needs that, man. So just keep that in mind when you guys are typing on the keyboard. I know it's free to type and everybody's entitled to opinion. If your opinion is not something that's teachable, No one can learn nothing from it. No, don't type it. You know what I mean? Don't type it. Because I see every now and again I'm going to have to just go through my comments to see if anything needs to be moderated. But for now, I'm going to let y'all live. But yeah, you know, if you're winning, I'm winning, you winning. People who win usually don't have time for that anyway. So it is what it is. But yeah, it's your boy Jimmy, man. And this is Trade Game Official, where we help people escape the 9-to-5 through Forex with financial freedom advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything that I say is just how I handle Forex and how I handle my finances. It's up to you how you handle yours. All right, so take it easy, guys. And yo, congratulations to anybody out there that's profitable. Because remember, if you're only part of a 10%. Believe it or not, man, there's not a lot of y'all out there. There's a lot of y'all talking, but not a lot of y'all walking. Anyway, yo, God bless everybody, man. Peace.